Well, from city streets to county roads, speaking of, the past several days, they have been all hands on deck. We've been showing you that effort throughout central Indiana and right here in Boone County with several slide-offs and accidents in the last few days. We are now checking in to see how things are going today. Fox 59's Courtney Crown joining us live. So, Courtney, nice to see you. How are things out there?
Hey, nice to see you too, Fanchon. I'll tell you what, things are looking really well here in Boone County. People have been hard at work for the last several days, and you can see how their efforts have gone by the asphalt showing on these roads. Just a great effort here in Boone County by everyone. And I'll tell you, today we spoke with both the director of the County Highways Department here in Boone County, as well as with the streets in Lebanon. Both of them hard at work helping their teams out here, took a break to talk with us and tell us about the effort that it takes to clear these streets. Truly community-wide effort. It's not every day or even every snowfall the director of highways for the Boone County Highway Department is behind the wheel of a plow.
I'm more in the scheduling and coordinating and planning part of it.
But this week's snowstorm required more help than usual. After all, Nick Parr says 27 road crew members handling 750 miles of roads is a big job.
We'll have everything open today. May not be widened out intersections completely cleaned, but we'll have everything open today in our network.
The Boone County Highway Department cares for rural roads that are not inside the city or town and state roads. Parr says his team is passionate about their job. As Parr's people take care of the rural areas, Street Superintendent David Newell's team of 10 people cares for Lebanon. We captured numerous trucks tackling the snowfall this morning.
Now we're actually putting material down. Yesterday it was just snowing so hard and the wind blowing. We didn't put material down because you're just plowing it back up. The road salt we use will start working, and I think right behind us, it's starting to go down to the pavement now.
Newell says his team worked as much as possible the last few days and even completed other duties as assigned.
I know of 7 cars last night, or between yesterday and last night and the day before, that you have to stop them, push them out, because if you go around them, then they're really stuck.
And we did also check in with Zionsville and Whitestown today. Good news for folks in those areas. Zionsville, those roads were cleared by 4 o'clock this morning, and Whitestown reporting in that all of their roads are cleared as well. Now, they did bring in some private contractors to help with some subdivisions, but we also asked them if they had any public information that they wanted us to help them share tonight. And they are asking people who are out just shoveling snow to please not shovel it out into the streets, blow it out into the streets, or plow it out into the streets. And of course, we can see right now, Fanchon and Dan, as the sun is kind of going down out here, there's definitely some room for some slick spots. So as always, we've been reminding everybody all week, just drive slowly, because no doubt with those cold temperatures, that is going to turn to ice. Yeah. So we appreciate the work that everybody's been doing. We're reporting live in Lebanon tonight. Courtney Crown, Fox 59 News.